We're starting off our haircut. Take a seat, my lad. I'm not redeeming first, just to hi Tolgi! We're here to give Noah a haircut. We're here to give Noah a haircut. Say, turn around, say hi. Noah's been needing a haircut before lockdown, right? And he was like, yeah, I'll go get one. And now we're in lockdown, so I'll give him the haircut. We're getting right into it. Here it is.
What setting is it on?
Shit! What setting?
Yeah, what setting is it on?
Here you go, click that stream manager. There's no going back. No going back. Fuck!
A few moments later.
Okay, we can save this. I just look at you at the fucking thing. It's only gonna get better. This?
There's a huge smile, you're not missing out on much.
Look amazing. Please, everybody, stop. He's looking amazing. Clap. What are you fucking talking about? He looks amazing. YouTube. I watched a 4-minute YouTube tutorial before this.
Well, she's never cut hair before, no.
I cut my own hair once, and that was interesting.
Yeah. Hey, Suha.
This is like the first time. No, stop, you're not. You look like a handsome boy.
This went as well as the Celtic season. A reflection, but
Yes, it's my first time cutting hair. Kind of crazy, right?
I mean, it could be worse. I mean, it'll grow into itself. That's all that matters. What Scotty said.
Yeah.
So your turn, yeah? Let's go.